Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? This is where it is happening. Please, you need to subscribe to see all the delicacies we are going to be dishing out to you guys. But if you have subscribed, thank you so much and God bless you. Make sure you share. You're not sharing these videos. Make sure you share. Some new couples will want to see, some new wives, some new husbands will want to see this my cooking. Please make sure you share, make sure you like, you comment, and also subscribe. This is Evangel Recipes and Family. Today we are going to be making chicken pepper soup. Yes, we are going to be making this chicken pepper soup and we are going to be using it to eat white rice. Already I have my marinated chicken inside the pot. I marinate with just little salt. That's what I do. I hate when I eat chicken and I don't get the full taste of it. So I always marinate my beef, my chicken, my fish with little salt, just to make it more appetizing. Here I have my onion, just one medium-sized onion. Here I have crayfish. I'm going to be using crayfish. I have some Uziza seed. Yes, if you're making pepper soup and you don't have Uziza seed, I don't know exactly what you're doing. And then I have Oda. I don't know what this is called in English. Please, if you know, just say it type it in the comment section. I will be reading it. I have just two red chili I'm going to be adding, and then I have some saint pepper, black peppers. Nigerians and Africans will know about this pepper. It's saint pepper. It gives a very unique aroma to your pepper soup, to your food. And then I have Ehuru. Ehuru, if you know what it's called in English, please also type it in the comment section. I will be reading it. I'm going to be grinding all this together and I will be adding it to our pepper soup. The heat is already on, so I'm going to be adding as I said, I'm marinated with salt, so I'm not starting with salt. I'm going to be adding the onion. I have one nut cube, so I'm going to be using it. I will cover. So guys, we finished grinding the other ingredients. So just on this. If you notice, I didn't add any water because I want the chicken to take up the whole ingredients. The ones I've added and the ones I am going to add now. This is what we have blended, so I'm going to be adding it. So I will still allow it to steam a little, then I will add water. So guys, we are going to be checking. Wow, this is what we have. This is what we have. Can you see that? This is what we have. So this is as good as ready. But one thing more I'm going to be adding is my scent leaf. This is as good as done, but I'm going to be adding my scent leaf. This is dry scent leaf. So I'm adding it and then I allow it for some minutes. Maybe about 2 minutes, and then I take it down. I just add little. All I need is the aroma. This is not mint leaf, it's not basil. This is scent leaf. Africans will know nchuanwu scent leaf. So that's all I'm going to add. It gives it some unique aroma. Just few leaves, don't need to add too much, and you're good to go. Oh my god, this is the aroma is heavenly. My address in the description box. This chicken pepper soup is ready. So we're going to be eating it with white rice. Join us at the table.